Hello, thank you for watching another episode at Investing with All I See is W. Today, I wanted to make this follow-up video to Sorrento Therapeutics by the ticker name SRNE. So what happened today with SRNE? For those who are not aware of this ticker, well, this biotech company, actually blew up today where its share price, gained about like 30%. And then towards the end of the aftermarket trading, it shot up another 10%. So in total, about low 40% increase through its entire day today. So that's a big jump. Now, what caused this significant jump in the first place, right? Like, how did the share price gain so much value in such short time within one day of trading? Well, it's because there's so much market sentiment growing with SRNE, and I feel like with the CEO representing the company, Henry G, he noted that his product line, with the COVID-19 test kit, is now the company is now in partnership with Columbia University to further support the growth of this product to combat the COVID-19 or be a solution to diagnostic testing. So now one of the unique things is that now patients can just, spit their saliva into a cup and then wait 30 minutes to see if there's a change in the color appearance, and that will let you know whether you're positive or negative to the testing. Now the unique thing about the test results is that, there's a 97% effectiveness test rate in terms of like false negative, false positive. But let's say if you're like truly negative to COVID-19, then supposedly the test results is like at a high effective rate at 100%. So that's according to what the CEO is saying. So it's not what I'm coming up with. But one thing I wanted to note is SRNE is a company that I feel like will continue to go up, like at least for tomorrow. I really foresee that the bull run will continue with this company. I mean, when you look at Webull in the past, in my prior video, I explained that the high price target was like hovering around like the $28 range. So that current share price is not quite there yet, but it can beat beyond the $20 range. And I foresee that possibly coming, but please be mindful that anytime when a company experiences a high relative strength index, anytime it's like above 80 or 90, you may want to consider being proactive and looking at what are the risk implications when it's a high RSI. But with the market sentiment with SRNE, it can continue its bull run, right? But what we know is what comes up tends to, on the short term, of course, go down. But if you're a long-term investor, let's say if you were to like purchase the share price like at $4 not too long ago, then what's the risk of it going down to $4? Very unlikely. So if you're a long-term investor, you can set your price target to the double-digit range, possibly up to the high 20s, 30s possibly. So that's up for you to call. But please take the information I give to you as guidance only. But I do foresee, it to continue its bull run through the weekend, and just really observe and then assess and see how you want to play with your quantity of SRNE shares. If you're a long-term investor, hey, just close your eyes and look at it later. If you're a swing trader or day trader, then you might want to set some percentages in terms of limits and sales that meet your satisfaction levels based on your risk tolerance. Okay, well, also I wanted to applaud those of you who kept on to SRNE, and it's had a great run, and the data is looking promising, and this may be a game changer for the economy, where society can pick up again, where you can have a simple spit into a cup without having to go to a clinical location and so forth. But that's just amazing, and it's just nice to see all different biotech companies just working to come up with different solutions, and research and see all that information. It's amazing. So I just like the fact that Sorrento Therapeutics also has a creation of the dummy variable ACE2, and when you think about it, not many companies are actually trying to explore that, although I do feel there may be a few out there. I haven't done the research, but just the fact that, there's ACE2 receptors in your lungs. Now, if you create dummy variables for the ACE2, then that means, that's a way to, prevent the virus from entering your esophagus into your lungs. So that's a great, technology. But again, I wanted to say thank you for watching another episode here at Investing with All I See Is W. And if you enjoyed watching this content, please do hit the like and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to produce more content on companies like SRNE. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.